Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add statuses on ClickUp. This is a great way to customize your workflow and help your team track exactly where each task stands in your process. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you have the proper permissions to modify space settings, as you'll need administrative access for this task. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look for the section labeled Spaces on your panel and click on it. This will display all the spaces you have access to within your workspace. Now click on the specific space where you want to add your custom statuses. Each space in ClickUp can have its own set of statuses, which gives you flexibility to tailor workflows for different teams or projects. Once you've selected your space, you'll notice 3 dots appear right beside that space name. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Task Statuses. This is where all the magic happens, as it opens up the configuration panel where you can create and manage all the statuses for tasks within this particular space. Now you're in the Task Statuses section. Here you can see all your existing statuses and create new ones to better reflect your workflow. Let's start by adding a status to the Not Started category. Click on the option to add a new status, then type in On Hold as your status name. This is useful for tasks that are temporarily paused but haven't been started yet. Next, select a color for this status so it stands out visually on your boards and makes it easy to identify at a glance. Now let's move over to the Active category and add another status. Click to add a new status here and type in Working on it. This status is perfect for tasks that are currently in progress and being actively handled by team members. Again, choose a color that helps differentiate this status from others, making your workflow visually clear and organized. Once you've finished creating all the statuses you need, look for the Apply Changes button and click it. This will save your new status configurations for this space. However, you're not quite done yet. You'll need to click Save Changes one more time to finalize everything and ensure all your customizations are properly stored in the system. And that's it. You've successfully added custom statuses to your ClickUp space, giving your team more precise control over task management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.